Oh my gosh, hi. I'm sorry. We're so busy here at Promomotive. I just can't find time to eat, so I'm always eating on the fly. Give me a sec. I'm just gonna put my burger down. Oh, thank you. Can barely catch my breath these days. So Promomotive is a full-service, rapid importer of custom-made promotional products that are delivered in 21 working days from approval. We look after your order every step of the way. As we like to say, direct from the factory floor to your client's door. What is rapid importing? Well, let's ask Siri. Hey Siri, what is rapid importing? Wow. You're kidding. That's incredible. No way. Okay, I'll let them know. Siri let me know that rapid importing is the longtime specialty of Promomotive. Here's the best way to understand this. Over the years, Promomotive and its key people have traveled extensively to see and work with over 100 promotional product factories located throughout Southeast Asia and a handful of key domestic manufacturers here in the USA and Mexico. We supply unique custom marketing products. Through our distributor partners, we've made custom products for more than 200 Fortune 500 companies. Our clients also use us as a way to replicate and recreate products that have either gone out of stock or have become way too expensive. Our specialty is rapidly importing full color Pantone matched products in 10 to 25 days or less, which fills a unique and creative solution for our marketer partners. Feel free to send us an email at inquiry@promomotive.com. Thanks for your time. I'm Alex.